Today's topic for discussion is a topic of plant pathology, that is telial stage. The Puccinia graminis, it is a fungus which causes rust disease of wheat, and the black stem rust disease is a telial stage of the Puccinia graminis form species TTC. This fungus Puccinia graminis, it is heteroecious fungus that requires two host plant, that is primary host is wheat and secondary host is barberry plant. On primary host, it produces iridospores as well as teletospores, and this is the telial stage which occurs on wheat plant. Late in the season, what happens? Late in the growing season, the same mycelium which was producing iridospore, that starts producing another type of spores which are called teletospores. The teletospores are also called as teleospores. These masses of teletospores produce dark brown or black colored pustules on the wheat plant. Pustule, it is a sorus. It consists of numerous spores, and with the formation of teletospores, iridospores gradually become reduced. Finally, only teletospores are produced in a definite sori, in a definite pustules, which are called teletosori or teletopustules. Okay. At maturity, the teletospores are black or dark brown in color. Each teletospore consists of a stalk-like structure, and it has at the tip of each stalk-like structure of teletospore, two cells are developed, and the outer wall of the teletospore, which is rough and it is more thicker than the inner wall, and that is known as exine, and the inner wall, it is intine, which is thin and colorless. Two cells of these teletospores are separated by a delicate transverse septum. Each cell is binucleate, which latter fuse to form a single diploid nucleus. Unlike iridospores, teletospores undergo a long period of rest before germination. Hence, they are also called as resting spores. Further, teletospores are unable to infect the wheat plant. This is the telial stage of the fungus Puccinia graminis form species TTC, which causes rust disease of wheat, and the telial stage of the fungus is known as black stem rust of wheat. Okay, thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.